Das hat jetzt gehen wir. Ja, pass auf, jetzt gehen wir zu. Wer war das? Der Derek. Gehen wir durch. Weil er gerade da ist. Wenn er nicht da wird, darf ich gar nicht hinfahren, gell? Klar, oder? Vorsicht! Ein Mopedfahrer im Anmarsch. Onkel Derek. Oder genau gesagt, Inspektor Derek. Hauptkommissar. Hat der da unten oder was? Tatsächlich. Derek. Wo tut der da?
Take charge of her, won't you, Nico? Rendezvousing out at sea. This is the place.
Jetzt fahren wir zu Kims Boot. Wer ist denn Kim? Kim Wild.
Escorting a Korean contact of mine into the country with a boatload of fake $100 bills.
As long as the ones he's paying us with are real, it doesn't matter.
I owe you an apology, Nico. I was dosed when you told me you killed Bucky and his boys.
Yeah, you were out of it.
I haven't felt safe since Aiden O'Malley went inside.
Who's Aiden?
Me, Bucky, and Aiden, we all cared about the same stuff. We came together for a cause we believed in. At least, I thought I believed in it. I was young.
This was a while ago then.
Yeah, so Aiden got caught with something when he was somewhere he wasn't meant to be. Needless to say, he'll be inside for a time. Him and Bucky think I talk. Couldn't see no other way how he got caught. From what I hear, Aiden still rants about me to anyone who'll listen.
I know how it feels to be betrayed.
You got that look about you.
Ja gut, ich darf mal sagen, das ist Kims Boot, gell? Unser Kontaktmann.
You Parks boy?
Yes, I Kim. You Derek?
Yeah, welcome to America. We're meeting your friends in Bohan. I'll text you the route you gotta take. Best way to avoid checks. We'll cover your rear.
Folge Kim. Ein pensionierter Chinese. Na gut. Wahrscheinlich muss ich beschützen, oder?
Arriving in this city, trying to make something of himself.
Brings a tear to my eye.
When this is done, I won't have to leech off my brothers no more. This deal should mean I can take care of myself.
Providing it goes to plan.
It's in the hands of the Lord.
What the fuck is this?
Oh Gott.
Use our boat to shield Kim from these fuckers. I don't give a shit if this thing stinks. We gotta protect him. I'd rather swim home tonight than come back tomorrow to die for those notes.
Ja gut. Der ist eben in den Rauch aufgegangen. Ja, sag einmal. Erschossen und angefahren. Ein grausamer Tod. Verpufft und zugenäht. So mal, was hat denn dieser Kim ausgefressen?
Look right, me bow!
Hoppala. Ja, da noch einer. Moment, Vollgas. Hoppala. Boden schon rausgehauen. Oh Gott, was treibe ich?
Shit, they're
Gottes
sending
Willen.
the fucking airborne cavalry after us as well. Good thing we got a rocket launcher with us.
We've got a what?
A rocket launcher.
Wo tue ich?
It's in the back. Get rid of the chopper with it.
Aussteigen,
I'll drive
warum?
the boat.
Mit dem Raketenwerfer. Ah, da schon her. Und ein Volltreffer.
Take charge of her again, will you?
Warte mal sie. Jetzt haben wir erst einmal alle
How'd they know
abgeschüttelt,
we
gell?
were here?
I don't know. I told my dealer it was good for the money. I owed him. Maybe a few people at the pub I borrowed money from as well. You'll say anything for a fix.
I wouldn't know.
Could be a coincidence anyway.
Or fate.
You sound like my mother.
Da sag mal, dieser Kim. Wo fährt der hin? Der führt mich in die Irre. So, dem fährt das auch was langsam schön. Dieser Trödler. Sag mal, ich möchte da anlegen.
Got him here in one piece. That was a deal. Thanks, Nico.
Thank you, Mr. McGurry. Not such a smooth journey.
Yeah, got a bit hairy out there. Good thing you have your sea legs. I hope the rest of your time here is more peaceful. That's all you can hope for in this godforsaken world. See you around, Nico.
Don't put all the payoff up your arm, Derek.
Only place for it, me boy. Only place for it. See you soon.
Da redet der von seekrank. Ich bin geisteskrank. Schau dir mal. Ein Rollerfahrer.
I'm going to hit
So Ratte der Straße.
See this shit? I told you, leave me the fuck alone.
So, wir brauchen eine Brotzeit. Nicht, gell? Da war nämlich der Burgershot. Kill your hunger. Sag mal, haben die Köterwochen auch? Köterwochen bei Burgershot. Ja, sag mal, bist du einer? Sag mal, Herr Kollege, haben wir wieder ein Problem?
Out of the way! I'm not
Nicht, oder?
a good day!
Der nimmt es gleich persönlich. Jetzt sind wir, oh Gott, da drin. Wer denn ist da? Wieder so ein Ithaka, gell? Jetzt könnte man eigentlich... Wo fahren wir hin? Da oben. Fahren wir da hin. Und jetzt mit dem Roller, oh Gott. Dauert ewig. Vorsicht, Polizei. Da muss ich aufpassen, gell? Warte, Burm. Ein Amokfahrer mit dem Roller. Oh, schon wieder abgeht. Ein Rennen am Limit, gell? Wo ist das Limit? Das sieht mich gar nicht. So schnell bin ich. Ja gut. Au! Ich hab die übergehauen. Jetzt hat der Typ in Absicht gemacht, gell? Oh Gott, jetzt kommen sie. Die wollen mich verhaften. Aber jetzt machen wir mal einen Truckstop. Da springen wir Saukisten. Ich muss da weg.
Please proceed to highlighted route. Calculating route. In 10 yards.
Da tut nicht da. Der fällt einfach rum. Gibt's denn sowas?
In 50 yards. Turn.
Aber was sagt der jetzt? Sag mal, scheiß Mülltonne.
Please proceed to highlighted route.
Ja, sag mal. Wie ein scheiß LKW.
In 8 yards. Turn left.
So komme ich ja nie um mich. Ja, was ist denn das da? Ein Falschparker.
Get hurt!
Falschparker kein Wegramp, gell? So manche lernen sie es nie. Jetzt kann die eigentlich... Moment. Meine Weste erfüllen. Da vorne ist nämlich mein Händler des Vertrauens.
Zerunia!
Ja, und da los. Gottes Willen. Steige lieber aus, gell? Und beende meine Trucker-Karriere.
We sell quality weapons and we
Okay,
know
Kumpel,
how to
ich
use
brauche eine Weste. Und jetzt kann ich doch, pass auf, einen Raketenwerferkoffer. Und du kostet einen Schuss 5000. Der Roman, nein. Ich bin beim Shoppen. So mal. Bucherpreise. Moment. Und jetzt könnte man eigentlich noch irgendwelche Fastfood-Scheiße reinhauen, oder? Wenn noch nicht da wird. Ja, aber liegt noch obeneinander. Ja, wohnt der doch. Hey, sag mal, du kommst genau richtig.
You don't want this to get ugly, man.
Okay,
Der falschen Zeit am falschen Ort, da die Song.
In 20 yards. Turn right.
Wo ist der? Im Krankenhaus. Na gut.
In 10 yards. Turn left.
Oh my god. Holy shit!
Hey, Frau Doktor. Ja so, die ignoriert mich. Die mag mich nicht.
I'm here to see Mr. Gavelli. I was sent by a mutual friend.
Come on. Someone here to see you. Yeah.
Oh, so you're the one who's getting involved with that nonsense for my dear friend James Pegorino.
I don't know what you're...
Spare me, please. I'm an old man. I ain't got much time left. Our mutual friend told me everything. Thank you. It made me
My pleasure.
People are so damn vain.
Some people.
All people. Even you, even me, an old man facing the end. And I still care. Care how I look. Care that when I shit myself, the pretty nurse has to clean it up. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, well, you know...
And I care about my legacy. I've worked hard for this line of work. Now some Russian assholes think they can march in and take control of rackets my family has run for 50 years.
You mean 50 years of you bleeding the city dry might finally come to an end?
I know it's a terrible tragedy. But if it wasn't me, it would just be someone else. So it might as well be me.
Yes.
Let me tell you, that faggot friend of yours, Bernie Crane, his boyfriend, He's being blackmailed by them damn Russians. They want him to put certain contracts up for tender. Windows, bus lines, cleaning, ones we control. These Russian fucking bastards are trying to finish us.
What do you want me to do about it?
I want you to work with me.
In exchange for what?
The police have a file on you an inch thick. In exchange for that. In exchange for that guy you've been asking about being brought here from wherever it is he's hiding, Switzerland or some shit.
Okay, good. What do you want me to do?
A good friend of mine is coming into town to give a speech on the new threat to Liberty City, Russian organized crime. I got a feeling some people ain't gonna want that speech to happen. Maybe the guy you love, this Dmitri Rascalov, has an interest in keeping the story out of the press. Make sure our boy gets to City Hall. He's coming in from upstate. He'll be at Grand Eastern Terminal on Bismarck. Thank you.